Hello and welcome to Music Technology. On this course you'll be learning how to use software like Logic Pro. You'll be learning how to record different audio including voice, guitar, drum kit and various other instruments. You'll also be creating music using the specialist software and using the built-in instruments to create music of your choice. You'll also be learning how to edit audio, how to cut, trim, create fade and use all different tools and plugins that different software has to offer. Feel free to get in touch if you have any questions.